Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then please make sure to subscribe and also follow me on my Instagram. So in today's video, I feel like I should have done this video for ages and for a long time, but here we are, I'm doing it today. Today I'm gonna talk you through a 3-step simple skincare routine. Now this routine is for beginners and teenagers. Now this is really the simplest of the routines that you ever know, that ever existed basically. I'm gonna tell you that please do this routine. It is very simple, it is very clear, very understanding, and it is accessible. So if you wanna get perfect skin, then I would definitely suggest you guys to do these steps because it will change your life and you will see immediate results. These are all product related. Now the basic kind of other steps like what to do, what to eat, what to drink, what to avoid, stuff like that, I'm gonna do a separate video, but this is all product oriented video. I'm not gonna tell any brand or any kind of product range in this kind of video. It's just generic in terms of the products. The first step that you have to do when you wake up in the morning, when you go to the bathroom to wash your face, just don't wash your face with water. Use a cleanser. Cleanser is so important now. You don't understand the importance of a cleanser. I know that some people might think that okay, just washing the face with the water is fine enough, but having a cleanser really cleanses the skin, gets rid of the dead skin cells that you have, all the junk, all the dirt, all the grime is stuck on your face will be washed off with a cleanser. Now just find the cleanser which is suitable for you. Just look at your skin type, see what kind of skin type you have. If you're dry, oily, combination skin, see what kind of skin type you are, and then go and ahead and purchase the specific product as a cleanser. Now also with the cleansers, make sure it does the right thing for you. If you're looking for a cleanser that's kind of exfoliating, go for the exfoliating one. If you're looking for a cleanser that's kind of revitalizing and uplifts the face, go for that kind of cleanser. There's loads of different cleanser types and cleanser kind of textures basically. If you're looking for foaming cleanser, more like a gritty cleanser, exfoliating one, just a simple soap cleanser, or like a daily wash. Honestly, these kind of cleansers really help your skin to cleanse, and you will see like immediate effect because once you wash it off, it makes your skin nice and soft, and you can literally like feel it and kind of see the texture that okay, my skin has definitely changed and I can use the next step. The second step would be, there we go, the second step would be a moisturizer. Now a moisturizer, guys, it is vital to use a moisturizer because moisturizers, once you wake up in the morning, for example, you wash your face with water or with a cleanser, as I mentioned in the first step, your skin is dry. It does feel soft. However, the skin cells, if you zoom with a microscope, and you don't want dry skin, and the dry skin is not a good look. So a moisturizer really nourishes, hydrates and moisturizes your skin cells and your face. Again, with the moisturizer, as I said, with the cleanser, any type of moisturizer you like, see what's the purpose, see what your skin type is, and if you want an affordable one, go for the affordable market. If you want a high-end one or more luxury one, go on the luxury market. It all depends on the budget that you want to spend on skincare. Moisturizer, some people I know that they just don't use it. I think it's crazy because your skin is dry and you need to use a moisturizer. I know people that they have a moisturizer and they use the moisturizer but don't use the cleanser. Either way, if you use a cleanser, you have to use the moisturizer because the cleanser really makes skin dry. Even though your skin is soft, you don't see it. So the moisturizer is something that hydrates. So think of a shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo is the cleanser and the conditioner is the moisturizer. The shampoo like get rid of the dirt and the conditioner hydrates and nourishes. That's the same principle of the moisturizer basically. The moisturizer you can also use at the nighttime as well as the cleanser that you got, and moisturizers are great because you will see immediate effects and it will definitely make a change on the skin if you use it daily. And with the skincare, obviously you have to use it for a long time to get the results. I know there's plenty of moisturizers out in the market and it is overwhelming. It is even overwhelming for me. There's so many brands, so many moisturizers, you don't know what to go for. Just watch YouTube videos, watch my YouTube videos, watch other people's YouTube videos. for skincare reviews, for skin product reviews, for brand reviews, because there are many reviews on YouTube as well as in Google, as well as in magazines, articles. So do your research in order to find the right kind of product for yourself. So the third step and the last step that I think is important for the simple skincare routine is an eye cream. Eye cream, we don't really pay attention, we don't really go and pay money that much. For example, I didn't used to use the eye cream for a long time, but obviously according to my research, according to my skin needs, I need an eye cream, and I think an eye cream is a simple step and it's an important step in your skincare routine at the last. Eye cream, I know some people, again, giving people scenarios, people use the moisturizer as the eye cream, but in majority of moisturizers, including mine, it says to avoid the eye area because some ingredients are not good for the eye area that you use. So an eye cream has the right kind of ingredients, right kind of chemicals that you use for your under eyes. And again, with the eye cream, do your research. There are higher end ones, good ones, cheap ones, affordable ones. Any type of eye cream, it is again like the moisturizers, a overwhelming kind of a market which types you go for. But the eye cream really hydrates, nourishes the under eyes. Also, the eye area is the first kind of signs that you will age. You will see wrinkles, eye and the neck area. So people say that to give more care, give more protection for the eye area and for the neck area. So the eye cream, I would say, is very, very important. These are the steps that I would suggest you guys to go and check it out. The 3 simple skin test steps: cleanse, moisturize, and use your eye cream. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and liked it. Do let me know what is your skincare routine down below, and do let me know what kind of products you use, what kind of products help you, to give some feedback or for me to try out, or give some others an idea and recommendations for future purchases. Also, make sure to check out my playlist. I've linked all my playlists with my skincare videos and my skincare review videos, product reviews, so it's easy for you guys to go and check it out. And that's it with this video. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one.